So, are you struggling with social media marketing for actors? By the end of this video, I'll give you 3 tips that you can use that will transform the way you think about social media marketing for actors. I'm Nick Dunning. I'm the creator of Total Audition Magician and the author of How to Get Acting Work Quickly and Easily. Now, social media marketing is one of those things that is a little bit like Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. So let me know, where are you on this now? Do you love social media marketing? If you do, give me a yes. And if you hate it, give me a no. Let me know in the comments what it is. And do subscribe to my videos for further updates. And you can click on the bell for notifications. So the first tip is this: integrate your social media with your branding. What do I mean? So let's imagine that you've got your website, what I call the vertical integration. You have a website, and on your website, you've got your headshot, you've got your show reel, you've got your resume. You need your links to your agent. You need links to your IMDb page. You need links to anything that you think is appropriate and relating to you. Okay, so when everything is on there, make sure that your social media profiles are on there as well, so that they can find you on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on Facebook. So all of this is in one big idea. What this does is it means that your branding stays consistent as an actor. And that's really, really important. So whenever anyone is searching for you and looking for you, they're going to see the same colors. They're going to see the same ideas. They're going to get this one big idea about you out there. Now, if that kind of thing is a little bit sort of like scary or whatever, and you need some suggestions on how to handle that, one of the best ways I found is my second tip. Use this free tool called Canva. Canva is absolutely brilliant. It's a free online tool, and you can use it to create Instagram posts. You can get YouTube covers. You can get Facebook posts, anything that you want, and you can integrate them all with the same colors, and it will store all your colors and the fonts in the same place. This means that every time you post something, people will start to recognize. If you think about big businesses, you always know, if I say to you the word Nike, what's the first thing that just pops into your head? Get the idea? That's what we're talking about. We're talking about making sure that you make your mark. Okay? Third tip I want to do is this, is use video. A lot of people are posting what it is that they're doing. They're writing, and that's absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with that at all. Don't get me wrong. But video is where we're going. We're using video more and more for everything that people are doing. So get on it. Get the video out there. One of the things I've noticed happening recently for myself is what they call Instagram takeovers. When I've been doing shows recently, people say, well, do you want to come? We're going to do the Insta takeover for the day. And that's the kind of thing. If you're familiar with Instagram, if you know what's happening on YouTube, you can start promoting the shows that you're doing, companies that you're working with, things like that. This gets your profile, it builds your profile on a daily basis, so that the more familiar you are with these tools and these tricks that we're learning here, the more you'll get yourself out there. If you've got any questions, drop me a line at peakactors@me.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.